Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon sorbet. This refreshing dessert is surprisingly easy to create at home with just a few key ingredients. We'll start by gathering our fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and water. For the best flavor, always use freshly squeezed lemon juice and don't forget the zest. It truly elevates the citrus punch in your sorbet. The first crucial step is making a simple syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. For an extra burst of citrus, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon zest to the warm syrup, allowing it to infuse as it cools. Once your simple syrup is ready, it's vital to let it cool down completely to room temperature. After cooling, strain the syrup to remove the lemon zest, ensuring a perfectly smooth sorbet base. Now, gently stir in 1 cup of freshly squeezed, pulp-free lemon juice. This combination forms the core of your sorbet. For optimal freezing, transfer the mixture to a container and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or until it is very cold. With your sorbet base thoroughly chilled, it's time for the magic to happen. Pour the mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Once churned, transfer the sorbet to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours or until firm. Scoop and enjoy your perfectly refreshing, homemade lemon sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.